So the way I see it is, in my experience, both at Chainlink Labs and even like a little bit now starting at Tunnel, the more senior you are, the less code you write, and the much more you're reviewing code and building architecture and talent, like describing how things are going to get done. So with the senior engineer doing those sorts of things, I now frankly need probably less junior engineers to sort of do what I'll, for lack of a better term, the grunt work of taking this design and actually producing the code that works. So I actually think that I don't know that it's necessarily bringing the junior developers up to having the ability of the senior developers. It's that the senior developers are now able to get more done. So I think one of the things you learn as in your time as a developer is creating the architecture is kind of the hard part. Like, how is this whole system going to fit together and work? And then when you break that down into the individual tasks of, okay, I need this function to do X, Y, and Z, that's the kind of stuff that you pass off. And I don't mean to say that it's easy, because it's still very hard to say, here's the specifications, build the function, make sure it's an efficient way, make sure it works, that all the edge cases are handled. That is still difficult, but it's a unit of work that you can pass off, and one person can kind of wrap that up and complete it. So, and put a button on it. And so I, as like that higher level leader now, can break that down in these individual tasks, assign that to these junior engineers, and that gets it done. And now these junior engineers, that task is going, they can just do more.